Welcome to EQ and Impact Individuals, a series where we talk to inspiring innovators who make a real impact. Today we are speaking with Mr. Sumit Aneja, the founder of Speedways Electrics. Sir, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, hi. My name is Sumit and I am representing a company called Speedways Electric. Based out of Punjab, we manufacture electric vehicles and proudly say we have the largest range of campus electric vehicles in India at the moment.
Okay. So how did your company started?
So Speedways, the group was started by my grandfather in 1967.
Okay.
That goes way back.
Yeah.
And then, we were making tires and we were exporting tires. In 2010, I just happened to design an electric car just out of a curiosity that, let's just make an electric car and see how it works. So we made a successful electric car.
Okay.
And then that was a spark, and from there it started. We started making golf cars, and then we started making industrial vehicles, and then and now we're making for the airports. So
Okay.
it's been quite a journey.
Since it has been a long journey, so were there any initial challenges you faced?
Of course, especially with the vehicles. When we started, this industry did not exist. So every day was a challenge that, how do you get the spare parts? How would you just, not use the ICE engine or the gasoline engine and use, the motor power to run the vehicle. So it was a challenge. We made it through. It's been some time now. It has on plus and minuses. It's fun now to work in the industry.
So can you explain your core product or any services that you provide?
My core product is golf carts. So what you see, every time we talk about electric vehicles, we only imagine public roads and highways, right? But there's a world beyond that where, vehicles are running in airports, they're running in hospitals, they're running in universities, resorts. So these are the locations where people and material is moving all day. But these are not electric vehicles for the roads. Right? These are electric vehicles for the campuses. And this is exactly what we do. We make electric vehicles for the campuses.
So what makes your company stand out from others?
Again, the technology.
Okay.
I think, we have worked so hard in the new technology that if you talk about any international company in the world, and I'm not saying in India, I think we are equivalent to any international company at the moment. We have a specific technology for making golf carts. We have a specific technology to make, electric vehicles for the airports. And we have a specific technology to make electric vehicles for every different use that people ask for.
Okay.
So that makes us a very, very wide range that I think nobody in India has at the moment.
So can you share a case study where you have helped a brand through your services or products?
Okay, I think one of the biggest fun brand would be Dalai Lama.
Okay.
So one of his assistants came to us and he said he wants a specific vehicle for His Holiness because he's old now and he has trouble sitting in a regular golf cart. So we actually designed a specific golf cart for him.
Yeah.
Where the seat actually turns, he sits on it and it comes straight and it goes back into its original position.
Wow, okay.
So I think that was one of the best projects that we had. Other than that, we have done a lot of fun projects. Like if you talk about the resorts, we have a vehicle which is a F&B vehicle.
Okay.
So when the food is prepared in the kitchen, by the time it goes to the cottage, it actually gets cold.
Okay.
And the guests won't like it. So this vehicle keeps the food warm until it gets to the cottage, and when the guest is ready to be served, that's when they plate it.
Okay.
So that's also a very technical product that we have designed. Then we have wheelchair carts, like we have buses where a wheelchair can go for the campuses. So like that, we have many different products that you name it and we have it.
Any new innovations that you are planning to launch?
Oh yeah, I think our next innovation, any vehicle that you see here, I think in next 2 years, all of them are going to be autonomous.
Okay.
There are not going to be any humans running the vehicles, but it will be done, the robots will run it.
So how is your experience at this expo so far?
Yeah, it's very specific to airports, and I think I'm very happy that Mr. Sharma was kind enough to launch our vehicles for the airports. We have launched 4 different models, very specific. First time in the country, we have launched it for passenger movement. We have launched tuggers, we have launched trucks,
Okay.
and we have a product which is called Aeropods, which is into the pods for the airports.
Any airport specific solutions that you would like to give?
Yeah, I think for the passenger movement is one solution. There is a vehicle called Emax Passenger we have launched.
Okay.
That kind of vehicle does not exist in India at the moment.
Okay.
And it's very safe. It's all forward sitting, and that's one product I really want to focus on giving to the airports.
Okay.
That's, I think, this going to be my focus. The second is going to be a security vehicle which ensures everything is in place and is green and you don't have to use any gasoline. Airports still use the diesel vehicles for the surveillance. So I think I would want to introduce my, Amigo surveillance vehicle for the airports.
Okay. So we'll start with the rapid fire round right now.
Yeah.
One word that defines your company.
Innovation.
Your favorite entrepreneur.
I think it's gonna be none other than Ratan Tata. I love that guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one success mantra for young entrepreneurs.
I think being humble.
Your biggest takeaway from today.
I think this exhibition has been, very focused. I think today I also, realized, I think being focused. If it's rapid fire.
One thing that excites you most from events like this.
Sales.
Okay. So that's all for the day, sir. Thank you so much. To all our listeners, follow Equipment for more such innovative stories. Until then, stay tuned, stay driven, and keep innovating.